Hi there, my name is Justin. I own W Advertising. We are based in South Africa on the east coast, which is right at the bottom of Africa there. I'm based in a city called Durban. We specialize in web design, e-commerce, social media marketing, search engine optimization. We set up your Google Analytics for you so we can track your statistics on who's visiting your site, how often and for how long, so we can improve your visits and get your customers to spend longer on your website and interact with you by emailing you and just driving traffic to your site using our different marketing strategies. So, yep, hit us up. Let's drive some customers to your business and get you going. Anyway, see you soon, guys. Bye.